Welcome to Fort Augustus, situated on the most southern tip of Loch Ness on the Great Glen Way. This historic and scenic hamlet is a popular tourist destination, halfway between Inverness and Fort William. We're walking across the swing bridge. The road traffic is stopped when the bridge is opened. The village is cut in half by the Caledonian Canal. The Caledonian Canal is an impressive 60 miles long and reaches some 106 feet, that's 32 metres above sea level. It takes around 3 days to cruise from one end to the other, linking the Atlantic Ocean to the North Sea. Although the Caledonian Canal Locks are large, they're mechanised and operated by experienced canal staff who know the conditions. Just follow the lockkeeper's instructions. The Loch Inn is a traditional Highland pub with a large selection of Scottish draft, craft and cask beers, and a wide choice of malt whiskies and Scottish gins. The village really is very much centred around the 5 locks that link the canal to Loch Ness, designed by Thomas Telford and constructed between 1803 and 1822. The day cruises on Loch Ness take around 50 minutes and cost around £20, cruising past Cherry Island and the Fort Augustus Abbey. Remember to keep an eye out for the Loch Ness monster. The remains of a bridge on the River Oich. The viaduct was a single-track girder bridge. It was demolished in 1944 with the 5 concrete piers left standing. Walking back to the pay and display car park you can just see in the distance. Hope you enjoyed this short visit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.